guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Terry from Aussie Diamond Painters and I've got another unboxing for you. DAC of course. I have quite a few of these and like a lot of people I suppose. This one is a 32 by 45 centimetre and it's another one of the holding in the hand series, which, as I said in one of my previous videos, that I really like that series. This one is the winged fox. I don't know how much of it you can see there, but we'll have a better picture when we open the box. Beautiful day outside today. It's the middle of winter. I'm wearing a t-shirt, so that's not bad. Here we go. No kit. Oh yeah, it's stuck in there. The normal kit with baggies and 2 plates of wax, a pen with a single placer and a 3 places in there as well, and a blue scrunchy thing that goes over the pen. These colours aren't as dark as the actual picture looks, so we'll see. Got some blues and some oranges and some reds and purple, blues. Don't think there's any 310s. This one's a round. So you'll see those colours when I kit it up. As I say, I always show you the kit ups. Or try to at least anyway. Here we go. This one has the schematic that I'll run through my sticker maker. So that's very handy. And of course the how to diamond paint brochure. That I have had 100 million, or maybe not 100 million, but quite a few. And here's the picture. That's very hard to see. And they usually are by the naked eye. In the viewfinder, you can see exactly what it is. It's the fox with a hand holding it. So, again, another really good canvas. Very, there we go. It had plenty of sticky. There's one AB, which is white. There's some down here, some over here, here and here, some over here, 3 or 4 there. So it should be, and there's the picture. Without too much reflection on it, I hope. So that was a very quick unboxing. Again, if you liked the video, click the subscribe button if you haven't already, and also the bell so that you can get notification of when I put a video up or when I go live. So even though these aren't the stickers, because these are older diamond paintings, this is really just as good because I just run it through my sticker maker. This one has 39 colours, which I didn't say, and it's called the Winged Fox. So keep safe, keep well, and I hope to talk to you soon. Bye bye for now.